All right, we're going to look at making a Cartesian diver. So the first thing is in your kits, you'll notice that you have a pipette, either, and yeah. So one will be, some of you have skinny ones and some of you have thicker ones. So we're going to try and talk through how to do this. So what you do is you'll get a pair of scissors. You'll cut off the end of your pipette here. Not all of it, but part of it. Okay. We're going to do the same for the other one, and I'll show you what it looks like for both of these. Okay, so you have one of these, and every student will be getting one of these guys. This is a stainless steel hex washer nut, and what you do is you jam it onto it. Okay, and some of them, if it's a bigger pipette, you'll jam it on there, and it takes a lot of work, but it stays on there forever. Cool. Let's say you're there and you're like, but I didn't get that one. I put it on there and it falls off. Well, what do you do? Well, there's a couple options. One is the easiest option is just grab a little piece of tape. It's probably the easiest way, and you just attach it with a little piece of tape. That's it. Notice the way I did not do. I did not have a piece of tape go all the way around it, trapping air. Instead, I have it so it just holds it, but there's still ability to have air. So now what you do is you have a water bottle. It could be new, it could be old. There is no magic to it. This is science. So what you do is you take this, and if it's all the way at the top, take a drink. Oh, that's good water. And then what you do is you stick it in there. And look, it floats. Isn't that cool? And what you do is you now squeeze the water up to the top. And by doing that, you don't have much air in your water bottle. Okay? It's not completely necessary. If a kid's having a hard time seeing, you could take this off. Take your wrapping off. If they can't see it, just tell them, hey, you gotta look real hard. Now, watch what happens when you squeeze this. There it is. And what you'll see is as they squeeze this, it falls down. There is one problem that I've seen students have, is if they can't get it to go down, what you could do is you could slowly raise this up. This will make a mess, and you will try to fish it out, right? And what you could do, oh, get there. Whoop. Computer. Okay. If you fill the pipette with a little bit of water, it will sink a little bit easier. Problem is sometimes it'll sink all the way. So if that happens, just have the kid dump it out. And then once you've dumped it out, then you can get it, squeeze the water out of the little pipette, and off you go. So again, you have two different sizes. They're going to need a water bottle, but the explanation is up to you.